Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Toyota Sienna LE. You can see with the key fob, either fob here, I can operate both power sliding doors. It has a rear entry, a brand new conversion super wide ramp. It's got a manual door here, and I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch right here and I flip over. Those clamps, they keep these ramps from rattling. They're a great design, and check it out. I can take the ramp to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers, if you can lift a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 43-inch wide, super wide ramp with ease. That's about 13 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a wider chair or chairs, this might be the answer for you. If someone parks next to you in a side entry van, you cannot get out of the van. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but we do sell the side entry and the full-size van as well. Talk to me about about what your needs are, and we'll help you find it. Got about 56 inches of room coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. It's got the 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher, and you can see how the van kind of tapers in and narrows as we get to the front. So it does get to about 36 inches wide here across all the way up. So if you do have a chair wider than 36 inches, it's going to have to stay towards the back, but it's a great option for hauling those bigger chairs. 1,000 pound weight capacity, got your spare tire there. And we can even put a 3rd row seat in here that'll flip down. You could actually haul 6 people plus a wheelchair. I got your headliner, it looks great. Rear air controls over there, and we can even put a bench seat in here. There's about 25.5 inches of room between those seats. If you want a bench seat that holds 3, so you could hold 2 up front, 3 in the 2nd row, and a wheelchair behind a 5, and the bench seat will also flip up on its side out of the way. It breaks down the middle to clear this entire canal. My point is, let us know your measurements, let us know how many people you're hauling, let us help customize this van to meet your needs. Got a brand new Q-strain tie downs there with a seat belt. Got your shoulder harness right there. Got your tie-down instructions and warranty information there as well. Got the nice center console, plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. Plenty of cup holders. You've got more cup holders up here, more plug-ins. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Steering wheel control, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Got your backup camera, dual climate control, rear air, and you can also shut all the power doors, sliding doors up here if you choose. If you do that, you can see they're both working over just fine over here. And as I exit the van, we just simply reverse the process. Again, 1 finger. Super simple alternative to those super expensive power ramps and doors that like to break frequently and are very expensive to work on. And our competition, they're going to tell you that they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. I want you to ask them what their warranty is, because our warranty is 3 years, unlimited miles on this particular conversion. Now, there's some are 1 year, 12,000, some are 3 years, 36,000. You take those numbers, you compare them to our 3-year unlimited mile warranty on this conversion. You tell me who has the better built conversion. So, tinted windows, got your roof rack in case you want to do any traveling. Alloy wheels. These tires are like brand new Coopers. Tons of tread left on like 11-30 seconds on all matching Cooper tires. So a nice name brand tire. And as I do the walk around to the van, you can see it's very clean. Hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's brand new. It's dang near. I see a little scrape on the bottom of the bumper there, so I'm probably caught it on a curb, not paying attention. So I'm not trying to paint this as brand new, but I am the owner. I hand select every single one of our vans. That's the advantage when you buy from me. Most dealers, they have a buyer. That buyer gets paid $200 or $300 every vehicle they buy. If it's a good vehicle, they make $200 or $300. If it's a piece of junk, they make $200 or $300. So they don't care. They just want to buy vehicles. Well, me, I care. Comes out of my bottom line. I got to put my name on these things. So that's the advantage when you buy from the owner, not just a car salesman, not just someone out there buying vehicles. And no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of this VIN number. And why I say that? This Facebook marketplace is the absolute worst for scammers. They will take pictures, they'll take pictures off my website and sell the van for like $10,000. Say they're selling the van for $10,000. Well, the truth is, they never had the van, they never will have the van. They're trying to scam you and get you to send them some money for the van. Well, don't do it. What you do is you ask them, you say, hey, I want you to get a video of this VIN number right here. I want you to do a walk around to the van, just like I'm doing right now. And they won't be able to do it because they don't have the van, that they're probably in another country. So when they can't do that for you, you know it's a scam, you better run. Make sure you get a video of that VIN number. What we do with that VIN number, we do a Carfax on every one of our vehicles. Before we buy, you can see just 2 owners on this van. It does show minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. It does have some service records. As we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. And they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer is accurate. It does show damage in August of 2021. I'll show that to you, and no open recalls. As we scroll down, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly. It does show, again, August 2021. Damage to the left rear and damage to the left side. Minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So I'm not afraid to buy a van that might have had a scrape in a parking lot, maybe had a fender painted or something like that. Again, airbags have never gone off, never been structural damage, and it's got a clean title. So that doesn't worry me. But I just wanted to show that to you, kind of show you the perspective I buy from. It does show oil was last changed at 46,000 miles. So it's got fresh oil in it. And no matter who you do business with, check out their reviews and ratings online. Find us on eBay, 1,503 transactions. You know, make sure they have a good reputation. And we have 100% positive feedback on every single one of those transactions. I would say that definitely qualifies for a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, if they're a dealership, make sure you look them up on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. You can see we have 4.8 out of 5 stars, 290 Google reviews. We're here in Wichita, Kansas. You know, I talk to people all the time how they bought from a private individual off Facebook or Craigslist. I've heard the vehicle has been stolen. You know, they couldn't get a title for it. They had to give the van back. They were out all the money. They buy vehicles with bad flood damage. Or they buy from these, these dealers, and they didn't spend 30 seconds looking up these dealers on Google to see their reputation. There's a company out in Bordentown, New Jersey. I know they had like two out of 5 star ratings last time I saw them. There's one down in the Atlanta, Georgia area that's also got 2 out of 5 star reviews. Just people with nothing good to say about them. People, and all the people had to do is get online, do a quick Google search, see what people were saying about them. So, if you want 2-star vans with 2-star service, I'll give you those people's phone number. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. Like I mentioned, it's got the 2 keys and the 2 fobs. As I enter the van, I am a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The power driver's seat works good. Interior's nice and clean. No signs of any smoke or any unusual odors, like I mentioned. And if you're going to use this vehicle for, say, non-emergency medical transport, you can hit the off button there. And what that does makes these doors become manual sliding doors. They open and shut quickly. Time is money, and also it keeps the conversion to the power doors from getting broken. You got these vinyl jump seats in the back, easy to clean up if you get a spill on them. Just a little different perspective of the rear of the van for those of you that may have never seen it before, inside one of these vans before. As I go to start the vehicle, you can see 46,988 miles. Van fires right up. Check engine light works. All the lights work, and they all go out, so there's no dummy lights on. You can see we got a full tank of gas. Got a backup camera. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors and windows. I'm going to show you those work. We've tested the power locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, tires. Replace fluids as necessary, taking the vehicle on test drive. My point is, and I hope you can tell by this video, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the website. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Got a brand new battery in there, I can see that. As I crawl underneath the van, much of the same. It's very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, from being in a flood or being out north. No signs of any water damage. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume, just because it's a low mileage Toyota, they assume it runs and drives good. They They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a flood. And that's the most dangerous thing you can do when buying a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual, I don't care if it's another dealer, but what I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reputation online so I know I'm buying from someone reputable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, no flood damage? Do they get on their hands and knees and even bother taking pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, so I know I'm buying a nice clean vehicle with no frame damage, no water damage, no flood damage? So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, and when it comes to how thorough they are in showing you the exact vehicle you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You know what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle that you can't get a title for from a private individual, or the vehicle's stolen, or they can't get you the title, or they jump the title? You just bought a van that you can't even drive. Or if the vehicle has frame damage from an accident or a flood and it won't pass inspection, again, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, not some lazy 30-second walk around. Don't settle for the excuses why they can't make you a video. If they can't get you a detailed video, I promise, run. It's a good chance it's a scam. Second, demand a Carfax report. Not some cheap knockoff. I spend thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports, but again, I'm buying from your perspective. I want to know the exact vehicle I'm getting, so don't settle for anything less than a Carfax report. Third, get online, find out who you're buying from. Check out their reputation, make sure you're buying from someone that's got a good reputation. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't be a lazy buyer. And third, demand a warranty. This van comes with a 90-day, 3,000-mile drivetrain plus warranty, good at any shop in the country. We stand behind our products. We make sure every single one of them comes with a warranty. Do not risk buying as is. Demand that warranty. Okay, the final portion of the video, I always like to get the vans out on the highway. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Sienna home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. If I get a runway here, I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour. Looks like I might be getting one here. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. There we go. Pops up to 70 miles an hour. Runs like a brand new Toyota. I got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. It's got the adaptive cruise control to keep me a safe following distance from the vehicles in front of me. It will even auto brake to keep me out of an accident. So it's a wonderful safety feature to have, especially for your family, or even if you're running a business, to keep your employees from rear-ending somebody. That can ruin your business. And also do keep in mind that we do have the 90-day complimentary powertrain warranty. We do offer long-term extended warranties that are bumper-to-bumper type warranties. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. Very affordable, especially for the Toyotas. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the shipping, that real nice price you saw online, well, it just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about the shipping and hidden fees before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, well, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for is that in any business, but especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video right now. So if someone's not being transparent from the get-go, there's a really good chance there's other things they're hiding from you. Be aware of that when you're out shopping. And you saw when I came down the ramp, there was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration when I hit those brakes. And hey, if you'd like to give us a call or text, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That's a forward to my direct cell phone. So I want to challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct call to the owner's cell phone number, call or text. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me and sick of being treated like just a number, and you definitely want to avoid that super pushy used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise absolutely zero pressure sales here. I'm going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not, so I'm just here to give you information. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone. We're happy to take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicles. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I also know it's a big purchase, and there's a lot of information to go over. I try to be as thorough and transparent as possible. Give us a thumbs up here on YouTube. That would help us out. We would really appreciate it. Give us a follow if you want to be the first to see all of our upcoming videos of our inventory. And if you'd like to make an appointment with us, please make sure you make an appointment. We're very busy. We stay busy every second of the day. We're not sitting around with our feet up on a desk. Sorry, I want to show you the radio works there. But you got to make that appointment. We're more than happy to spend some time with you. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most transparent and most thorough mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.